Welcome to another very unique open house here in our 2020-21 school year. It has been amazing, parents and students, working with all of your children in our class. I have had a great time having all of them in our class in this hybrid model. It's been really phenomenal to get back to using project-based learning instructional strategies, where our students are really engineering and building. They are being the scientists. You might have noticed we've been working through our Mission to Moon project, which I'd really like to thank Miss Norling for bringing to our school district, and really hope that we can encourage the continued utilization of this program in future years. Students have made it through 7 missions. We've been working on our 3rd trimester on the plant greenhouses, welcome towers, moon rovers, robotic hands. Students have been doing a great job engineering these projects in class. And our last 2 Mission to Moon projects are going to be Mission 8 and 9, which are both focused on our moon base build. So our Mission 8, we're actually just trying to design the moon base, and in Mission 9, we're trying to build the moon base. And with our increased contact time, we should get more time for building in class, as well as going deeper into our critical concepts and understanding how they connect into what we're engineering and building in our science class. You should have noticed we've been working through our critical concepts of energy transfer, electricity, and magnetism. And our last one that we follow through with on our Mission to Moon base, our transition as the project ends, is we start chemistry reactions. And I look forward to trying to bring that and making our students intrigued. It's my passion. It's been a really great time this year working with all students. And again, let me know if you need any help. Send me an email, give me a phone call, let me know what you need me to do, and I can try and help your students through their challenges. Thanks so much for an amazing school year. I can't wait for our last 8 weeks with students.